Hi, my name is Gail Lee. This is my enhancement number 8 for my CIT 336 class. In here I'm going to show you the pages that were created. So let's look at the products here. We're going to go into Canon, clicking Canon. You see the Canon down there. We click on it and it shows the details and all the stuff of each product. So let's check the HTML code, and we go in here, and when we go in you see that no errors. So we'll also check the, as long as we're here, the CSS, validate that. It says congratulations, no errors found. So then we come back in here, we're going to see how responsive it is. So I'm going to click there, you come down, you can see that it shows everything in there in the small view. And let's check miscellaneous, shows the items are lined up nice. I put a picture of the car in there. And again, that's showing responsive. As you click, you can scroll down and see it has got all the details in there. If you click on something that doesn't have a picture, it'll say sorry, no rope products could be found. So we have a category up there with nothing in it. So this is my presentation. Thank you.